Don't take a condom, my skin and sorrow, I can't on my full eyes. Now we get a fake a same size, you better think twice in a good easy price. Never this at an him. I know the